Hi, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about frizz, how to identify what type of frizz you have, and then just super simple steps that you can take to eliminate and combat that frizz. And just before we get into the video, I just wanted to state that this video is sponsored by Audible. We all know about Audible. It really should be a part of everyone's life if it isn't already. Adam has been using it for years, and he's always talking about how he's finished listening to an audiobook in about a week or so. I think being able to listen to an audiobook and still be doing everyday tasks is an absolute amazing way to take in information and to learn something new. Another great perk of listening to audiobooks is that a lot of autobiographies are actually narrated by the actual person, which I absolutely love. Audible has the largest selection of audiobooks on the planet. A current one I'm loving is Tina Fey's Bossy Pants, and if you love her, you're absolutely gonna love this one. You can get your first Audible book for free, plus 2 Audible originals when you try Audible for 30 days. So to get started, go to audible.com/Ellebangs or text Ellebangs to 500-500. With Audible, you can also go back and re-listen even after you've canceled your membership. All right, let's get back into the video. So obviously the first step is to analyze what type of frizz you do have. So the first and most common is just a natural frizz, just the natural texture of your hair, whether your hair just has a natural curl to it or it's kinky. The best way to know if the frizz is natural is if you're not processing your hair, if you're not adding heat to your hair, and if when you were younger or a teenager, your hair was already frizzy. And reason number 2 for frizz is if you are indeed processing your hair. So for someone with natural frizz, you can easily combat frizz with a good blowout, using good quality hair tools, and for sure using a leave-in frizz treatment. One of my absolute favorites is Redken's Frizz Dismiss. This line has existed for a long time, but earlier this year they have completely revamped the product. It works so much better, super lightweight, smells amazing. My curly hair clients have been loving this product. And I know I don't talk about curly hair often on my channel, so for those of you watching and wanting a recommendation, you need this product. Now for someone that has a little bit more chemical damage and their frizz is coming more from a processing kind of standpoint, just a simple blowout is definitely not going to do it. So more than anything, you need to start in the shower. You need to use an anti-frizz shampoo and conditioner. And again, the Redken Frizz Dismiss line smells yummy and absolutely works wonders. You guys know that I normally use Monate, but normally after I highlight or color my hair, I like to use Redken. And I've made a video on my complete hair routine if you have any questions about that. Normally with just the shampoo and conditioner, that is enough for me, along with a blowout, of course. But if you have thick, coarse, frizzy hair, then you need to go in with the big guns, the Frizz Dismiss Mask. That is the last product from this line that I'm going to be mentioning today, but these are my absolutely favorite products from this line. And another tip for getting rid of frizz is to get dustings often. I mention these so often on my channel. Split ends can cause major frizz, and along with the dusting, of course, haircuts and trims, at least between 8 to 10 weeks is ideal. And I know that I'm really bad at that because the people who cut my hair are down in the South Bay, and I personally do need to cut my hair more often. I just got my hair cut, I think about 2 weeks ago, and before that it had been almost 6 months, which I'm super embarrassed to say because I should definitely be leading by example. And the last tip is to wear your hair up while you're sleeping, and if you can, sleep on a satin pillowcase. This makes a huge difference, not only to the breakage of your hair, but also the look and the sheen of your hair the next day. For an inexpensive and natural alternative, coconut oil is also amazing. I do have to say that the molecule in coconut oil is actually not scientifically small enough to penetrate the hair deep enough to really heal the hair from the inside. It will penetrate it enough to definitely give you really good hydration. If you're not doing anything else and you are looking for an affordable option, I would definitely start with that. Alright guys, so that is it. Hopefully you're completely frizz-free by the end of this video. And once again, if you are interested in Audible, go ahead and check the link in the description box down below. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.